Let me show the simplest way to swap a face in Canva using a face swap app from the Apps panel. It's quick, beginner-friendly, and works well when your photos have a similar angle and lighting. First, open Canva and start a new design. Click Create a Design and pick a canvas size that fits your project, like an Instagram post or a custom size. That gives you a clean workspace to work with. Next, open the Apps panel on the left side of the editor. Type Face Swap in the search box and pick this one. It may ask permission to upload your media. Accept it. The app opens in the side panel and is ready to use. You need 2 photos, one original image and one target face or source image. The original is the picture you want to keep, the body and background you'll keep, and the source is the picture with the face you want to use. Upload the original first, then upload the source. When both photos are uploaded, click the Swap Faces button in the app. The app will detect the faces and process the swap. This usually only takes a few seconds. When it's done, you'll see the new image in the app panel, and you can add it to your canvas. Be careful, this app allows only one face swap credit daily for free. Better, but not as I expected, it removes the eyeglasses too. Let's add it to the design. Once the swapped image is on the canvas, treat it like any other image. Resize and move it until it fits. Then use brightness, contrast, or filters to help the face blend more naturally with the background. If this helps, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Tell me in the comments what problem you want me to solve in the next video. Take care and see you in the next one.